Welcome to IT class of Unit 4. This unit contains entrepreneur skills. Session first, entrepreneurship skills. I give to brief introduction. Businesses is an economic activity which is related with continuous and regular production and contribution of goods and services for satisfying human wants. Business can be for profit entities or non-profit organization. Students, if you want to start any business, then you provide a regular production and distribution of goods and services for satisfying human wants. This business will be a start for profit and non-profit. So next is, what is entrepreneurship? The process of developing a business plan, launching and running a business using innovation to meet customer needs and to make a profit is entrepreneurship. Students, if you want to create any type of business, before creating a business, you make a plan and launching and running and fulfill the needs of customers. So next, what is enterprise? An enterprise is a project or undertaking that is bold and fulfill a need of the society which no one has ever addressed. Students, if you want to develop a software related to our projects, then you go to software engineers and provides a project, and software engineer take a projects and make a softwares. In the sense, students, when you start a business, you doing a work on a projects, and project is also known as enterprises. Next is role of entrepreneurship. Money in circulations. As entrepreneurs create value, making available better and cheaper products and services for customers, the economic grow. Students, you are starting a business, then involved in this business there are three money investment. First is invest in products, second is running on way, and third is in accounts. So next point is social developments. Creation of jobs. A business started by an entrepreneur is usually a very small business in the beginnings. Students, when you think about starting a business, then you start a small business in beginning, because you focus better, and job creation is better than job seekers. Okay, next point is improved standard of living. More things available to live a comfortable life. When entrepreneurs sell products like a tractor, a mobile phones, or a mobile services, it helps people live a more comfortable lives. Students, your living standard is very high and comfortable when your business is rich in high. So next point is optimal use of resources. There are various natural resources present around us. Renewable and non-renewable entrepreneurs keep working to find the most optimal way of using the resources to reduce cost and increase their profits. Students, if your business reach in your highs, you think and related to products cost is cheaper and easily available in the markets. Next point is more benefits at lower price, products and services at competitive price. As entrepreneurs compete in market, price of products come down. Next is qualities of a successful entrepreneurs. Students, successful entrepreneurs have a different points qualities. First quality is patience. When you start a business, you wait for 1 hour, 2 hours and so on. Next is positivity. Your think is positivity, no negative. Next is hard working. Your work is very hard, so your business is improved. Next is confidence. You don't lose your confidence. And next point is open to trial and errors. Any types of errors coming in your business, then further sort outs. Next point is creativity and innovations. You think and you make innovations, creativities. You provides any products, any goods other from markets. That's all friends.